Hello, parents. Thanks for joining me on this episode of the Fast Math Freebies at Home Edition. Do you have a third, fourth, or fifth grader, live in the state of Florida, and want to help your child prepare for the Fast Math assessment in May? Well, if you're answering yes to all three of those questions, you are in the right place. My name is Miss McCarthy, and I am a former Florida public school teacher on a mission to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick. For years, I've been creating resources with teachers in mind, and now I'm expanding my impact to create affordable and engaging math video lessons and practice for you to use at home with your child. The following free episode is actually a part of a free course, so all you have to do is click the link in the description box, enroll in the course today, and you'll have access to all of the Fast Math freebies, the video lessons, and the printables for this grade. And now it's time to dive into that free episode, so let's do it. All right, third grade, here's your problem this week. So go ahead and pause the video and try this one on your own first. Then when you're ready to check your work, press play, come back and see me, and we'll get to it. Welcome back, third grade. Let's go over this problem. So it says determine whether each set of lines are perpendicular, intersecting, or parallel. So let's go over those three different terms. Perpendicular, that means that we have lines that are intersecting and they're forming right angles. Intersecting just means that they're crossing somewhere, and parallel means that they are lines that will never ever cross. They can go on in both directions and they will never ever cross. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So these two lines right here could actually be going in the directions, and they will never ever touch. They'll not run into each other. So the answer for this one would be what? Parallel. That's right. All right, next up is this pair of lines right there. Now to me, they kind of look like they could be perpendicular. I'm noticing the square corner, I think. Now, I'm guessing at that first, but I want to make sure. Now, when you are taking your Fast Math test, you should have some things in front of you, like your reference sheet and scratch paper, and both of those things should have square corners on the tips of the paper. So we're going to pretend like we're using that today. Okay, so here we go. Let's imagine that this is my square corner, and I'm just taking my paper and I'm moving it into position and putting it into one of these corners. And I can see right here, look at that. It is a perfect square corner. My square corner can fit right into that. It could actually go into all of them. See that? There we go, square corner. And forming it right there, square corner. So because of that, we know that this is going to be perpendicular lines. They're lines that form right angles. Okay, so we'll pick that one. And the next one, we can tell that they are intersecting. They are not perpendicular. So we can go ahead and mark that one. And I want to show you too with the square corner, you could bring your edge. Let's say that we were trying to get this one right here, maybe. If I line it up right there, I can see that the other line, it definitely is not a square corner happening there. It's an acute angle. Okay, so those are your answers there for today. So go ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, if you're looking for the printable that goes along with this video, you can enroll in that free course today, which gives you access to this video and the printable and all the other videos that I've created, the Fast Math freebie episodes, all in one place for you. And you know what? If you're anything like me, it's out of sight, out of mind. I know that you're busy, so why don't you go ahead and do that now? That way it's off your plate, you take care of it, and you can get your instant access today. Thanks again, and I cannot wait to see you inside the free course.